of YouTube. Ha! It's Chinobo back with another exclusive unboxing. I am so happy to do another unboxing here with you guys. I just got home from work and this was at my doorstep. Oh my goodness, guys, I've been waiting months and months and months for this sneaker to come out. So we gotta do this unboxing because I want to know how this sneaker looks in person. I'm so excited, guys. So excited. Today we're gonna open it with a knife. This box with a knife because I left my razor somewhere. This up. Oh my goodness. Guys, if I never ever asked you to like, comment, or subscribe, which I probably never did in person, I probably just wrote it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I promise you better content coming soon. Oh my goodness, you see it? Boop, boop. There's too much information for everybody to see. But as you can see, safe, okay. It's another black Nike box. So you already know what it is. It's a phone. Yes, it is a phone. Alright, let's check it out. Foamposite 1 Premium. Black, Aurora, green, and black. So, I know y'all know what this is. The price was $250. You guys can see that. I paid about $271 and probably like 90-something cents. So, okay, about like $272. Most people said they weren't picking this up because it cost too much and they didn't like the design that much to even get the sneaker. But who cares? As long as I like it, it doesn't matter. It's my pockets, right? Alright, well anyway, this is for you guys that might want to cop these joints. And so let's get into it. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so excited. Just open the box already. Goodness. Can't get out the box, y'all. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to say yet. Oh my god, let's just take them all out of the box. Oh my goodness. I don't know. Oh my goodness, y'all. You gotta see these babies in person. I mean, I'm not gonna front. The flash is definitely doing it justice. But I'm pretty sure in the sun, these babies. Oh my gosh. Will look so much better. Sorry, y'all, I need to focus. You know, I got my tripod here in my hand and stuff. Oh. Okay. Yo, guys, this design on here is popping. I don't know if it's too much light for you guys to even see, like the colors on it or what's going on. Let's see if we can take some of this light out. Oh, come on. Oh, let's just put the light down and see what happens. Yeah, you guys still aren't gonna see it that way. Let's put the light back. Oh my goodness. Okay, so first thing I feel, it's like this material is like something I never felt before. It's not like glass like, but you can't even feel. It's so smooth. It's like a silky smooth. Oh man, I wish I could see the detailing on this sneaker more. Guys, I might just do another video for you guys to even like really see it like in the sun or so. Well, anyway, come on, let's get into this. This video has been long enough. All right, so they call these the abalone foams. On your midsole, you got like I'm looking at a purplish, bluish, greenish type of seashell color to it. Oh, it's your toe box. I would say this is like a nubuck. And your swoosh on here, it's this time it's different. It's not stitching. It's more like a plastic. And oh snap! Look, even on here, on the upper on the tongue, it's a plastic. If you guys could see that. And on your jewel, there's the penny logo, cent sign, and your pull strap has the like a blue coloring. Oh guys, I didn't notice this. It kind of has like a sparkle here. You guys are never gonna see. You guys have to see these in hand. You have to see it in hand. Okay, so the mesh, typical mesh. Let's look right here. You got your carbon fiber that always comes with it, and your bottom is all murdered out, and in the inside you have your Nike Air in blue. Now this time they don't have any like lace tips or anything. That would have been dope if they had like the lace tips, blue or purple or something like that. That would have been dope. Guys, I'm telling you, the camera is not doing these sneakers justice. You have to see these in person. These joints are jive fire. Oh my goodness. I wish it was daytime so you guys could see this joint. Alright, on the back, got your penny cent logo. Now this is still stitched in, so that's cool. Still got your pull tab. Bow bow. These came out January 20th, and I just received these now. Probably like it took 6 days to get here, but oh my goodness, guys, I've been waiting months and months and months for these joints to come out. These joints is butter. Take another quick look around at these joints. Hopefully it's a better setup for you guys to look. Guys, this video is long as ever, but I'm so fascinated by it. Alright, so there is your look at the Abalone foams. Did you guys cop? Or would you guys cop? I mean, I know you guys can't really see it that good. And the color, because, you know, the camera doesn't really do it justice. But, oh my goodness, guys. If you're looking to look at these in hands, get them in hands, just go to a store or whatever. I'm pretty sure that they have those still in stock or whatever. You got to see these. I'm a big fan of them. For people that are fans of foams, maybe you might want to check this out and get this in your collection, maybe, if you like them. Alright, well, that's the look at the Abalone Foamposite 1 Premiums. Alright, y'all. Peace.